What's up, guys? It's Mexican, and today I got off work at 2. I got my computer from IBuyPower. There's quite a bit of money. Let me open it real quick. I almost passed out when it got here. Right here, just the invoice of what it came with. If you want to know the specs, I'll say it, and I'll also put in the description. It's an Intel Core i7 7090, 4.0 gigahertz. It has a liquid cooling fan. It also has 16 gigabytes. It has a NVDIA GTX 780, 3 gigabytes. It has 2 terabytes for my hard drive and the 128 SSD, and it's Wi-Fi. Alright, let's open it up. Alright, let's take out the small stuff first. Here, I got my my pad so I can use it for my mouse. Look at that, the Razer Repsula. Let me open it real quick. Kind of excited. I've been waiting for this about a week. First they had to build it, and I got overnight shipping with it. They wanted me to stay 2 extra hours at work. I'm like, I can't. I ordered something and it got here. I have to go. And I ripped that. Oh well. And I ripped that one too. Oh well. This tape's pretty good. Here we go. There's no turning back. You're part of the cult membership thing. And this is what it looks like. And this is so it won't slide off, so you just put it like this. And wherever you have it, you can put it like that. And there's another side. This one's smooth and this one's like, I'm not really sure. I think this one has a little bit more grip. Alright, let's put that away. Next is some speakers I got. It wasn't much. It was pretty cheap. I just wanted something. It didn't have to be that good. They're Logitech, as you can see. Here's a picture. Here's what the speakers look like. Here you can see. And I also bought an Asus monitor, but I bought that separate from this, and that's gonna get here, I believe, tomorrow. I'll be doing an unboxing of that as well. And here should be my mouse. Yep, my IBuyPower mouse. Here you go. It wasn't much, you know, but something, because right here I have my Razer Death Adder right here, but one of the buttons is jammed. So yeah, and I cut myself right now trying to open that box because I'm so excited. Right here we have my keyboard. It wasn't much either, but you know, you have to buy it if you want to use it, because you can't really use it without a keyboard. Here we go. Looks like a regular mouse. It has some extra features though. Proudly assembled. How to set it up and everything. Pretty sure I know how though. Oh, I forgot this. Air Force Z1 headset. I really don't need it though. I have my PX22, but it was free. And who doesn't like free stuff, right? And here we go. My IBuyPowerRevolt. Smells new. Been hearing a lot of things that IBuyPower is bad, that it's good. I see a lot of streamers play it with this. They have seen Lyric, which is pretty much what I watch. Summit 1G, and a lot of other people. I decided to get one. And here we go. It's, I think these are the power cords and everything. Yep. Oh yeah, I get Watch Dogs for free. What's this? The hell? Well, there's something, I don't know what it is, I'll find out later. The power cord. My Windows disk in case something happens, I guess. This, it has Wi-Fi, so that's what I kind of wanted with Wi-Fi. We'll see how it works. Now let's put this up. More padding. And what we've all been waiting for. Let that drop. My IBuyPower. Here we go. The Revolt. Where's it at? Oh, here we go. Here's the front. You can see it has all those ports, 2 USBs and SSD. Let's see the back. There you go, the back. It's pretty good. I hope we'll find out. And that's it. Also, I've been thinking of making a new YouTube channel, so if you have any ideas, comment down below. Tell me what you think of everything that I bought. And I'll probably be making a video of me setting it up and if it works or not and everything. And thanks for watching, guys.